me transport manager. Me bisa ne say operation na omo ye na omo chiche trotro drivers no omo charge exorbitant prices no. Commercial cars na long journey no.
Welcome to the political rant with me, the voice right here on UsÄlɛss MCE. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. 2024 election, no. Munim Adibakwa working against MPP. MPP for now, my jumo, no more but Juma Kasa. Everywhere you go in this country, now one project or the other was ongoing. And it say enusum kwandi anka Juma wayen kwandi anka NPP be win election. But people sat in Accra and were thinking, say, once you have awarded a contract, the work is ongoing. People sat in Accra and thought that once you have executed a contract and you have received reports, say, contractor no we Jumana. And no, omunko picture bia, omunko video bia to come and show Ghanaians that this is what is ongoing. NDC are beginning to make the same mistake. And it's funny because you would have thought, say, NDC would look at how things went on or MPP administration, I say, and they will have learned their lessons from it. Why am I saying this? Kumasi 4, they are crying. Ashanti region, MPP, Yaya party by yen to among any bonu for yen kunto quantity, yen kwanko, yen kotu. Fanti for yayenti, yen konkotu. Kumasi 4. Now they are crying. And why are they crying? They are crying because John Mahama is in Accra. Okay, John Mahama, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. He's in Accra, and he has told JPRTU for say they should reduce lorry fares. Now, what na Accra? That lorry fares should be reduced. Once one him say cars are yes are throw up and down, and you see can out there koto shiamom. One talk kama obia say on fanye throw. Fuel no so one fast kama obia some fan koto fuel enti. Untimi can't obi say by force. Only lorry fare so. After sitting in Accra to give this order, na GPRTU for sitting in Accra na mama order na we. Quickly, and I'm communicating so much TV stations. Oh, you are reducing lorry fare. You are reducing lorry fare. Fuel no boaba phone. You are reducing lorry fare. And think of one. Kumasi 4 are crying. They are saying, say, lorry fare is reducing. Omusu omuka humbi. And I say Kumasi, they say Ashanti region is a nation on its own, a semi-autonomous nation. Because almost say over Ashanti region there, I greater Kumasi there, lorry fares, the value is the same. As at 2007, a brother is a currency, you might have ban.
Omunka huana. And no question back. Say Omunka hua. Me kandi achirane say. Obuase Kumasi to Obuase first na 30 cedis ene nyame ya adom petrol buone ba fom ye ka so muni obia ntete so 15% enti ko ba 25 cedis na otwe ene omudi ye adwuma efri na otwe a proposal ne ba say ya pass petroleum levy 1 cedi no drivers ne say that 1 cedi ninti no sisi o masanso atum enti me ka de akire Ashanti regional minister Keme boss, any GPRT in paying for Ebimo, when you say Bimo Nasha Diasa, sabotage, yes, sabotage government. No petroleum levy, no, and my ye will be a sika. Aside 1 cedi near the Babato no crampono, and mamma ye and Shase was say that 1 cedi nintino, one more at 2 lorry fanim. Sebasa was here to lorry fanim, we understand you, Mutum. VIP for us to be Samo, Monso, see a 2 full more. Mo priceless na ba mo social media handles ni na mo de to wono mo now ma catch ra yes si a VIP matum mo bo na da so gina de gina na se mat so according to your report no e da so gina de gina monte so enti ya bisa mo say drivers na bi mo hye mrase e na bi mo so hye mrase ya NDC drivers any our MPP drivers ana anope masima mi bisa no enti regional minister any era King Zuba I know say master tia trotro drivers no mo chichi bi mo fine wo mo e prosecute bi mo Obuasi station I work Kejetia Dubai to Obuasi Kumasi to Obuasi and then Obuasi so omucha ticket in 30 cities municipal chief executive Mami first laugh appear Kenny Miami Mami Miama de nyina yapoma chow yapesi e hotoye eno ni mpaiba obi ya boss obi ya ho be de ebeto no. We shouldn't give room for amount selfish interest. Ewa Ghana ha. Tisa Evans. Manuasi.
Afima medase intiwi.
Say a ball of kinky used to be 1,000 CDs is now 10 pesos. There is no change in value. The value is the same. Kumasi for saying you mama to Omusi Akufo time no. Say ufaka from Kumasi Eko Obuasi now to as 30 and as 40 CDs. Say Ajo Mahama, His Excellency Abano. The value, either I say the same and I say a cost through. And to go for no mutu have 40 cities no. They say mutu have 45 cities, 48 cities. And to almost John Mahama His Excellency. The more na Accra. Now kika say and we lorry fair no almost a show mubufu. Almost say pens and phones and wumbia. Se beya ure kawanu tum. Mistake ni de omaye ewie so mo akwakọ to abanama MPP and ase omo ati na omo fie say nkofo we omo toko anti na omo gogotu no omo say they have regretted but don't let them feel too much remorseful. Mistake no omaye mistake na ewie don't remind them of their pain since you are not able to do anything about the lorry fare and they are still the same. The drivers have refused to decrease the money. And they are also hearing say full of Boba because no who dear Omafanasa Kawenutum. You see King Zuba na obi a King Zuba na ebe dena obetimi afa the development biaba. Mate says King Zuba no now DCO so Obuasi na mupamu no. So almost the youth no omu chase no free Obuasi. It's a number akumasi. Say King Zuba is going around. He only knows how to sack market women, how to chase market women. He should go and chase the drivers also. He should go and force the drivers to reduce the lorry fare. Because if that is not done there, any 2028, Muhammad Musamia, and Samia as a Samia. Samia as a Samia. That one I'll leave it to you to decide. But if you do not let the drivers reduce the fare or keep quiet and then let us all suffer. This has been a political round with me, the voice right on UsÄlɛss MCE. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.